the Galaxy Fold was the most exciting announcement in the Samsung event. While the new S10 and its variants look like first-class phones, it was the Fold that captured the imagination of everyone. Fold puts this industry on a new path. And apparently, it is a path that, unlike the other phones that Samsung announced today, does not include a 3.5mm headphone jack. And if the Galaxy Fold is the future of Samsung's smartphones, then it might be time for users to start saying goodbye to the beloved headphone jack. Whether or not to include a headphone jack is a decision that has painted a line in the sand between telephone manufacturers, and we have always known which side of that line was Samsung. On the one hand, there are the S10 phones, the latest refinement of the Galaxy S formula that Samsung has been perfecting for almost a decade. And the other is the Galaxy Fold, which is in play for the next decade. The past has a headphone jack. The future does not.